It's time to start reimagining TV. Introducing Fire TV Cube, the first all-in-one streaming media player with hands-free Alexa built in. Now it's easy to do things like this.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Fire TV Cube can hear you from across the room.
Alexa, play Sneaky Pete.
And with infrared technology, it's easier to control your entertainment hands-free.
Alexa, switch to cable.
Wait, what time was the game?
Alexa, tune to Fox.
We've partnered with Netflix, ESPN, Hulu, and others to let you do more simply by using your voice.
Alexa, rewind 30 seconds.
Alexa, next episode.
Plus, Fire TV Cube is always getting smarter.
Alexa, show my flash briefing.
So now it's easier to get more out of the biggest screen in your house.
Alexa, show me nearby restaurants.
Even when your TV is off, Alexa is ready to help.
Alexa, add Pinot Noir to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added it to your list.
And of course, you can still enjoy all the content you love.
Alexa, search for action movies.
Yes!
From HBO, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and more. Fire TV Cube. Let's start reimagining TV.